Email Marketing 101. So, you want to get involved in email marketing? Let me just take a moment to congratulate you there. Email marketing is one of the most effective marketing strategies and has been shown to have among the highest returns on investment, open rates, and click-through rates. Email marketing means speaking directly to your customers and not relying on a third party like Facebook or Twitter that can change its policies at any time. Moreover, it also means reaching your audience in a manner that is highly engaging and much more likely to lead to a purchase or a new lead. In fact, just to reassure you that this is definitely the right place to invest your time and money, consider some of these statistics. First, did you know that email marketing has a return on investment of 4,300%? That's a massive profit, and it boils down to the simple fact that email marketing costs barely anything to participate in. In fact, the only real overhead incurred by email marketing is the cost of your email autoresponder. Okay, so how about this? 91% of all consumers check their email at least once a day. I know that I check mine considerably more. Do you? Part of this also comes down to the ubiquity of mobile devices. We now carry devices in our pockets that notify us each time that we get a new message, which is a surefire way to ensure we don't miss new emails. Meanwhile, a recent survey showed that companies that take part in email marketing rate it as more profitable than PPC advertising, content marketing, affiliate marketing, display advertising, mobile ads, social media marketing, and direct marketing. 66% of U.S. consumers over the age of 15 say that they have at some point made a purchase as the direct result of an email campaign, too. Do email marketing campaigns work? You bet. While looking at this data, what else can we learn? Well, another survey of consumers found that most recipients will open their emails based purely on the subject heading. Okay, so what that's really saying is that email marketing is only as effective as the strategy you learn to use. This is an incredibly powerful tool for growing your audience and developing relationships with your leads. It can also be an excellent way to gain direct conversations. But in order to gain those benefits, you need to know what you're doing. That's why your first job is to educate yourself.